Hi crafty friend, it's Mona here. I am so happy that you are here. Today we are celebrating Niha's birthday with a video hub. So many inspirations, and of course there is a giveaway as well. Today I am showing you a clean and simple but colorful card tutorial only with die cuts and stencil. For these cards I was inspired by the super talented Laura Basson. I just adore her amazing colorful creations, and she rocks the colors always. Okay, let's start the project with dry embossing. I am going to use this beautiful stencil by Picket Fan Studios called Flowers. But you can try this technique with any stencils as well. With this technique, you can turn your stencils to a kind of embossing folder. You can use this technique with any die cutting machine, you just need to have an embossing mat, which looks and feels like a larger piece of rubber. The process is the following. First, I am putting to my platform a metal shim because I like when the embossed texture is deeper. Then I am putting on it my 10 embossing mat. Next, I am placing a white piece of cardstock to the mat and the stencil which I want to use as an embossing folder. To the top, I am placing the embossing plate and run it through my die cut machine. And let's see the magic, how it turned out. It's super cool. I love it. I think this is a perfect base for simple cards because it is white, but it has a nice texture. Next, I cut the cardstock for 3.5 by 4.75 inches because I want to add scalloped frame die cut to the background and I want to show from it a bit more. This frame is from Sunny Studio Stamps. Feel free to check the used supplies in the description box below. For the background, I decided to use a lighter violet colored cardstock from the Cool Smooth Paperpad. Next, talk about the rainbow alphas. I am going to die cut the Happy Sentiment with alpha dies. I am using the classic type alphabet die set by scrapbook.com. I really like their alpha die sets. The alphabets are just the perfect size for cards, and as you can see, the upper and lowercase letters are included in one set. By the way, all the exclusive dies by scrapbook.com are on sale currently, and this alpha set is 50% off and it's really worth it. I put the link in the description in case you want to check it out. I just picked pink, orange, yellow, green and teal colors from these 5.5 by 4.25 inches pre-cut paper pads and run them through my die cut machine. Because I want to keep my rainbow card as simple I can. For the intricate dies I am using with gold glitter cardstock. It gives an extra bling and makes my card more elegant. I created one die cut from the gold glitter cardstock and I have created 2 more die cuts with both dies for additional layers with white heavyweight cardstock by Happy Doodle. While I was recording this video, I was not sure which sentiment to use. I knew that I want to use a birthday word die. In the end, I decided to create a card with both of them. I want to know your opinion. What do you think? Which is better? I think both of these birthday sentiments are super pretty, but the super thin is my current favorite. I am adhering together the die cut layers with Ultra Bond adhesive on a scrap piece of cardstock. Next, I am adding a few splatters with gold gansai tambi watercolor to the white dry embossed background. I am just checking which gold is better match to use, gold cardstock. This shade is a kind of rosy reddish gold color. I want to mention that there are amazing inspirations from fellow crafters, so be sure to check the next stop when this video ends, and some cool prices from sponsors as well. To qualify for the giveaways, please comment where are you from because some prices are not opened internationally. To get more information, visit Niha's channel at Crescent Creations. You can find her link and the full list of prices in the description box. Before I put together my entire card, I always check and ask from myself, do I need something extra? Is that okay? This time I feel that I need more color to the frame. So I decided to add colorful stripes to my background in the same order as the happy sentiment. I fixed it with mint tape and ran it through my die cut machine with the same Frilly frame die from Sunny Studio Stamps. As a final touches, I added clear sequins for embellishing my card. For my second card, I did the same on a gold background. I put thinner, colorful stripes on it with random spaces between them. Instead of splatters, I added colorful Nuvo drops. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It always helps and YouTube will know that you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye!